Hi, this is Janice, and this is day 12 of 100 Days of Code as I am learning the Python programming language. In a previous video, I went over working with list, and I'm going to just extend that a little bit and talk about how to make changes to items in your list, how to do things like append your list or remove elements from the list. And so we will start off by first creating a list. So let's say we're working with threats and we want to list out the top 5 threats. And not saying that these are them, but I am going to list them as they are, as if they are them. Let's say cloud vulnerabilities. And we'll say software bugs. Okay, so now we're going to print our list. So once it's executed, it lists out the top 5 threats that we have included. Okay. All right. So let's say that we want to take our list and actually append something to our list. So what that does is it's going to add something to our list. Let's say we're increasing the threats beyond the top 5, and we'll just put top threats. And let's say we want to. And so here you can use indices, and let's say we want to change. So this is actually going to change. For us, it would be the third one. And the reason being is because when you're working with binary, developers will start counting from 0. So 0 will actually correspond with social engineering. Ransomware will be 1, so on and so forth. So this is going to change. So instead of appending, we're changing. So we're going to change cloud vulnerabilities. And let's say we want to insert insider threats. So if we print this now, you can see that it took cloud vulnerabilities away, and in its place, it inserted insider threats. Okay, so that's a way that you can change your list. Again, I had mentioned appending. You can actually append to your list. So let's say we want to append to it. I'm going to add it in here. And let's say we want to append Internet of Things to it. Okay, so this is actually going to, if you execute it, it just adds it to the end. Okay, so you can use the append method to append an item to your list. Again, you can use the index to specify where you want the element changed, where you want it changed at. And then also, you can also remove. So let's say we want to remove something. Let's say we want to remove social engineering. So we would put a 0 because that's the place it's located. And I don't think you have to actually list it. Let's see. Oh, let's try again. Type error. Remove takes exactly one argument and 2 is given. There we go. So we were able to remove it just by listing it. And you can do that with any of them. And I guess the last one I'll do is insert, which is similar to appending. And let's say we want to insert. Now I'm going to try doing this with a place. Let's say we want to insert here at 0. Let's just put malware. Let's see if that works. And it does. So it inserts it in place 0, but it takes away social engineering. So this is a little bit of how you work with lists, changing them, appending them, removing items, and so on and so forth.